Today, I rise on a matter of urgent public concern. This special report is submitted to bring clarity, accountability, and transparency to the long-standing issues surrounding the Makanhan Mega Health Center, a project that was expected to serve families in our city, but which continues to raise serious questions on implementation, oversight, and delivery of public service. For years, our constituents have been asking, what happened to the Mega Health Center? This is not a political question, Mr. Chair. And sa groundbreaking, napako-ato nga tayo, no? I was there present, November 2022, if I'm not mistaken. This is a question of public health, public funds, and public trust. In response to public concerns, interviews were conducted with the contractor, nakita nato sa Facebook, and with representatives of the city government of Cagayan de Oro. While these interviews aimed to provide clarity, they instead revealed more inconsistencies than answers. In short, it has become a battle of interviews. The interview showed partial information, unclear narratives, and a lack of synchronized data between the contractor and the LGU, leaving us, the sanggunian, and the public without a full picture. I've had several interviews over the weekend, Mr. Chair, and in all honesty, I could not give them a concrete answer because I myself do not know kung unsa nay gakahitabo. It was a matter of kanang tubag sa contractor or tubag sa atuang engineering or the CIO department head. This is not just a construction issue. It is a matter of dignity, of public trust, and of our responsibility to protect the well-being of our constituents. In light of these gaps and inconsistencies, I respectfully call, Mr. Chair, for a full technical audit of the project, submission of all documentary requirements from the contractor and implementing offices, and also a committee hearing where all parties must answer clearly and honestly, and a firm, realistic public timeline for the project's implementation. In a recent committee meeting I've had with the Committee on Health, presided by Councilor Gaani, he had already raised this issue, which I commend him. My prayer